Welcome to Just a Rad Life. Thanks for stopping by the channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing a 5-pound New York strip roast on the Oklahoma Joe smoker. So it's really tasty meat. So that's what she looks like. So I'm going to season it, and then we're going to bring it outside in the Oklahoma Joe smoker and indirect cook it. So it's going to get pretty messy, so I'm going to bring a couple things in. And I'll share the seasoning as always with you down in the video section. But you want to get it on, and I'm not going to remove any of the fat on this. None at all. And yeah, the meat's been washed, cleaned, and dried. So now that I'm about to start a mess, I'm going to bring in a mixing bowl. That way we save a little time. Get a handy dandy mixing bowl. And then I'm just going to generously put the seasoning on it. Let it sit overnight, and then we're going to throw it on the Oklahoma Joe. So let's turn it. Get some on the sides. And this is a really nice cut of meat. You know, I'm typically the only red meat eater in the house, so this is going to be a lot of meat, and this will probably last for a while. Just got to get it in there. Get it in there. Just rub it in there. Really nice dry rub. The fat will do its own thing. The smoke will do its own thing. You get all that really good flavor. Alright, so I'm going to throw a little twist on it. And I've got it really well seasoned, as you saw. So, I got some rosemary and some elephant garlic. I'm just going to cut up the elephant garlic. Let's get this out of the way. You know what? To waste not one that moment, I'm going to throw that in the pit. So, let's press down on it. Get it all mashed out. And then let's bring the roast back into the mix for a second, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get in there with this handy dandy knife. Just going to pry that open, stick my thumb down there, and I'm going to cut another piece of garlic. And I'm just going to shove, meaning push. We say shove in Jamaican. I'm going to shove a piece of garlic down there, and a little rosemary. So just shove that down there. I'm gonna cut another area and do the same thing. I think I can do this in probably about 3 portions of the roast, but watch the mad flavor we get from this. It's a mad flavor. If you're into beef. I know some people don't really eat beef. I love my beef. So just shove it in again. Lift the garlic on top. And I think I can get away with one more area here that I'm gonna deal with this garlic in that. I'll get tight. Ooh. Alright, so shove a little bit of garlic down there. Let me turn so y'all can see it. Shove that down there. Rosemary. Next, a piece of garlic. And we should be good. And I'm just gonna set up these like little trees on the top and see what kind of flavor we can make pop out of this. So, you know, get you a better look. So thanks for checking in. We're gonna let this sit and bubble overnight. Then we're gonna throw it on the Oklahoma Joe pit. Thanks for stopping by. So there's our roast, and I'm about to drop it on the fire. And I'm gonna leave the fat side up. That way all those juices can just do their thing. Look at that seasoning. All right, so just put the roast on, secure the probe, make sure it's all good, and show you the temperature. So the current internal temperature of the roast is 52 degrees, and at 190, I need to drop down to 150 because 150 is the best way to make a well-done roast. So the roast has been on for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and the internal temperature was 111. And our goal with the probes is 150. Look at that pretty color. Just bubbling. Everything just soaking in with this nice cut of red meat. And yeah, our fire's still running strong. All right, so total cook time, 90 minutes at 350 degrees. And yeah, I know the internal temperature just said 147, but I just let it rest and let it climb to 150. Trust the process. I don't want to overcook this, but look how juicy it looks.
Go about in there.
So there's our cut of meat. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And we're just gonna carve into it. Ooh, that's crunchy. You hear that crunch there? Look at it slip. Oh, that's well done. Look at that. It's a nicely done roast. So I'm just going to try a piece of this. This kind of breaks up. Oh my god, that's good. Come on. How juicy this thing is. What I've learned is some people that like red meat don't like to eat red meat with blood. That's why I chose to do this cooked well done. The juices you see there are from the fat. It's not blood. Yeah, man. It's gonna last me at least a good month or two. And cut another piece. You guys can see this end. Spread that out a little bit. Look at that. This is good. So, really good. Oh, and by the way, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you like what we do around here, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I just like to do a little grilling every now and then. Oh my hands. How juicy that is. Just pulls apart. Oh, this was really good. So bye for now. You walk good.